परमवीर चक्र, as he said, ये दिल मांगे मोर,
ये दिल मांगे मोर, एब्सोल्युटली मुरीद एयरबेस के बाद ये दिल मांगे मोर, रफीकुल एयरबेस के बाद ये दिल मांगे मोर, चकलाला एयरबेस के बाद ये दिल मांगे मोर। भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद। दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सिचुएशन दैट वी आर इन, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। पूरी एयर सुपीरियरिटी हमने दिखा दी है। We have shown complete and total air superiority, and the most amazing thing is, Deepak Vora ji, हमने अभी तक कुछ यूज ही नहीं किया है। Air Marshal Sanjeev Kapoor sits here on my programs totally confident. If you see his attitude, he's relaxed. He's relaxed. He's saying, "Abhi theek hai." You know, the Air Force people are incredible people. Incredible people, the Air Force people. You know, I'm so proud of the Air Force people. My sister is in the Air Force. I feel so proud of the Air Force. We relaxed log हैं. इनमें कोई tension नहीं है. But when they hit very hard. And at some level, there's a coordination with the army. Army appears very aggressive, Air Force appears very cool, but together they are joined at the hip. And General Bakshi ko pata hai ki now the Air Force is hitting where it hurts. Today, General Bakshi is happy. He wants to see these Chaklala, Rawalpindi places destroyed. He wants it, and you're getting it, General Bakshi. I think people are very happy. Deepak Vora ji, how are you seeing the overall situation? And also, I'm liking the attitude of our government. I'm liking the way Ajit Doval is talking to the 3 service chiefs, and then they go and meet Rajnath Singh. They all huddle up together. Then they go and meet the Prime Minister. And yesterday, if you saw the visuals, Pradhan Mantri ji aram se, he's sitting there in his room, in his living room. You would never have expected कि इतनी hard decisions लिए जा रहे हैं जो आज सुबह दिखे.
Sir, once again, आपने अभी कहा ये दिल मांगे मोर, जनरल बख्शी साहब, ये दिल मांगे मोर एयर मार्शल कपूर साहब, क्योंकि अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। Yes, fantastic. Fantastic.
I just wanted to say, sir, that you know I've been a practitioner of Chanakya Niti for over 52 years. उन्होंने 2 चीजें कही, which I'm going to read out. We have military officers, we have others. उन्होंने कहा है कि राजा की सेना कभी short tempered नहीं होनी चाहिए, एकदम से निर्णय नहीं लेनी चाहिए. We are seeing this in our service chiefs. We are seeing this with General Bakshi, with Air Marshal Kapoor. Totally relaxed, cool, thinking about what should be done next. And the second thing he has said, कि एक राजा की ताकत उसकी प्रजा होती है, which means the people are the strength of the leadership. 140 करोड़, come on Indians, come on, an ambassador is appealing to you. Stand solidly behind the government, stand solidly behind your rulers. This is not the time for asking questions, not the time for pointing fingers. I don't care where your gurus are, whether in Pakistan or in America or anywhere else. The important thing is we are solidly behind the leadership. And thank you, Republic, thank you, Mr. Goswami, for leading this charge. We are not going to stop, even if the world asks us to, sir. This is not India, Mr. Goswami, please. This is Bharat Bahadur now, sir.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. And as Deepak Vora says, abhi to party shuru hui hai. And GD Bakshi says, ye dil mange more. मैं इन दोनों के लिए, for our compliments, I want to show you, ladies and gentlemen, the appeals of the Pakistan Air Force on media, Pakistani media. अपील्स ऑफ द पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की भारत खत्म कर देगा हमें, बहुत स्ट्रांग है इस बार. दिस इज मोदीज इंडिया. दे डोंट नो कि व्हाट इंडिया दे आर डीलिंग विद. एक्चुअली दे डोंट नो. दिस इज नॉट मनमोहन सिंह's इंडिया. This is Narendra Modi's India. 140 crore Indians standing behind him. And the man there, NSA Doval. You know, this man is an incredible man, NSA Doval. I tell you, there's something so amazing and brilliant about him. We have visuals. Can we show the visuals? He's left from South Block. He's been working relentlessly. 24/7 he's been on the job there. Nationalist man. He's gone to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And all of India wants to know that Ajit Doval और Narendra Modi के बीच में भी क्या बातें होंगी, क्या decision होगा. जो भी decision होगा, I can tell you, is a very well-informed decision. And Ravinder Sachdev, you want to say something about it? I think some big decisions are being taken. And ladies and gentlemen, और एक visual है हमारे पास सरगोदा एयरबेस. सरगोदा का visual आ गया है. सरगोदा एयरबेस का visual है. Okay, Sargoda airbase visuals have come on air, ladies and gentlemen. ये देखिए, this is Sargoda airbase. Look at the cloud. Look at the cloud there of the explosions. Another Pakistanis are reporting different locations. Finished. जितनी भी censorship पाकिस्तान करने की कोशिश करी है जनरल बख्शी, ऑल ओवर सोशल मीडिया विजुअल्स आ रहे, पाकिस्तानी ये विजुअल्स दिखा दिखा के कह रहे कि देखिए हमें मारा जा रहा है, अभी इंडिया को रोको, नहीं तो अभी तो एयर बेसेस है, इंडिया अगर बिगर अटैक कर देगा तो क्या होगा। सो ये सब ऑल ऑफ दिस पाकिस्तानी सोशल मीडिया में नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब डायरेक्ट लोग सर्कुलेट कर रहे हैं। जनरल बख्शी, सरगोदा एयर बेस विजुअल्स, योर रिस्पॉन्स सर, योर रिस्पॉन्स, कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस लोकेशन सर?
Absolutely. Sargodha is one of the prime air bases where the F-16s are